Yes, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Learn Forex with Ace. This is Samainde, and in today's class, we'll be looking at what we call market outlook. As you all know, many of you guys are so excited and, of course, pumped to always witness what we call market outlook because we know the result and, of course, the what we tend to enjoy from this. This is simply what we come here to do to tell you what is about to happen in the market the next week. Last week we came here and subsequently we also come to the market over the weekend to tell you to what to expect and some of the buyers we're looking at. And amazingly, most of those pairs haven't to always played out perfectly well and according to their buyers. Last week we gave us some pairs as well. I'm not going to talk about that right in this video. I'm going to do a separate video for that. But for today's, I want us to look into what we are expecting for the new week. Um, of course, let's go into it. My first pair for this new week that is about to is we're looking at a long, a short on GJ. However, this with this formation, I can see anytime market does these formations, it entirely seems to end up on at the top. So this definitely comes here and stopped here. We want to have a sniper entering at this point, and if it's about 9 or 10 pips, so we can milk about 100 pips or 80. That is a good risk reward ratio. So we're looking for to GJ a short on GJ and we stopped here because market actually breaks down or bounce back. The last time we here we bounce, last time we here we bounce. So it's past definitely have to might have to I want to have the bounce here and still come back to this trend line again. So we're gonna be making from this top here to this bottom and weeks about 10 or 9 or 19 pips or so. Or pips, that's a good one. Another one I am looking at for this new week is EJ. I'm looking at the long. Actually, I'm looking at the long. You can see the lower eye, lower eye, lower eye, lower eye. So this is just lower eye. So looking to formations for everyone, but all of these haven't given us an entry yet. Note that, guys. That's why I used to urge you guys. If you are on Telegram or you are on YouTube alone, you are missing. Kindly join our Telegram group right now or ask for the link. Any of our support will send you the link so you can always activate, execute, and milk as long as we are doing that immediately once the market opens. So you can as well execute with us. So we're looking for a confirmation somewhere around here, and then we can long for this EURJPY. And then in the long run, we're looking to shorts somewhere around here because we are having information of the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So having information to come here in the long run and have information that might still tends to be a short in the long run, but in a brief time, it's gonna be a long. So this candles to definitely cover up. This is a pin bar should cover up before the shorts will begin. So that's what we're looking at for EURJPY. Aside from that, I'm also looking at Euro card. We're looking at Euro card. What's our bias on Euro card? Our bias is simply a buy. But we were looking wrong. We are actually expecting this. Can you see this pin bar on this cycle level? We expect it to come again back and give us another pin bar. Once we can see double pin bar on our cycle level, that is a strong confirmation. And after all, we can see probably a double bottom or anything around this spot. This is an engulf. That's a good one. Come back again, do something like a double bottom. Then we can long for euro card. That's a good one as well. It's a good one as well. Another one we're looking at for is USD shelf. We are looking at a long on the long one there though. This is gonna be a long one, but right now it's gonna be a risky shot. But we don't want to short. We don't want to counter trade the market. This is gonna be coming down to obviously this point because we have a higher high, lower low, higher high. First time we had here it bounce, second time we had there a bounce. So expecting a bounce at this our third time, so we can long. This can take about 2 to 3 days. It's not gonna be quick. It will take about 2 to 3 days before it will activate and we can execute. I repeat, please and please, if you are not on our Telegram, please ask for the link or find a way around to join our Telegram. So whenever we execute, we can communicate to you and we can inform. We used to have about amazing signals every blessed week. Last week it sold out about 18 signals. Last 17, I think we lost three. We make 14. This last week, this previous week happens to be, I must be sincere with you guys, happens to be our worst week ever. I'm obviously have to be sincere with you guys right now. This is our worst week ever. I can say bet you, very worst week ever because since the beginning of the January, I don't think we've ever lost up to 33 before. But this week it happens we had a three good losses. The highest we used to have is about one and the maximum is 2. That is very rare. Yeah, this time around we had about 3 losses. That's crazy, guys. I must be sincere with you. This is one of our awful and so awkward months so far, because since January I have never experienced this. Since beginning of this year, this is our first time, and let's see what the rest of the year will happen to be. However, we've been having a good winning streaks since March till this very now, and unfortunately, we had a 3 loss out of last 17. We only won 14. That's crazy, guys. This is our first time experiencing that this year. So apart from that, let me also round up very quickly. Apart from that, let's go up here. I'm looking at four. Okay, let's go for gold. And the last one is gold. Yeah, gold. This is a good setup on gold. We also I missed this entry. It was quite painful, very painful, very painful. This is what I'm gonna be look. A sweet long, but quite very painful. Can you see little this candle engulf there, took away this last low here. We could enter it buy here, then put our stop loss on our here, also on our here, then move to this point, push. But right now you're looking for a retest. Come back to this point, let me show you. Probably can we could have a probably a retest, just a small retest, come back to this point on road, then push, then we can long again back. That will be what, then take away that part, then we can long again and go. So that is our setup and go right now. I hope you were able to get an insight or something into this brief video. Don't forget to always subscribe to this channel and follow us on Telegram for more details and for more educations, free educations like this. Thank you for joining me once again, and bye for now, guys. Peace out. See you in the next video. Bye for now.